Hello reptile enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of the bearded dragon, a captivating unique lizard species that adds a touch of charm and wonder to any reptile collection. But before we dive into the fascinating world of bearded dragons, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of reptiles. Bearded dragons come in a variety of colors and patterns, including shades of orange, brown, and gray. One of the most distinctive features of the bearded dragons is their ability to puff out and darken their throat, creating a beard when they feel threatened or stressed. This display used for communication and defense, making them appear larger and more intimidating to potential predators or rivals. It's a remarkable and visually striking behavior that gives these reptiles their common name, bearded dragons. Additionally, bearded dragons are known for their gentle temperament, making them popular as pets. They are highly social and can form strong bonds with their owners, often seeking interaction and attention. This combination of unique behaviors and sociable nature makes bearded dragons beloved among reptile enthusiasts and pet owners. They thrive in a well-maintained terrarium with appropriate temperature and UVB lighting. Bearded dragons are omnivorous, enjoying a diet of insects, vegetables, and fruits, maintaining proper temperature gradients, offering a basking spot, and providing hiding spots and branches for climbing are crucial for their well-being. Bearded dragons are relatively low maintenance and can adapt well to a properly set up enclosure. Their unique appearance, friendly disposition, and ease of care make them an excellent choice for reptile enthusiasts and families. In conclusion, bearded dragons are a captivating and unique lizard species that can elevate the charm and wonder of any reptile collection. If you found this exploration as enchanting as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of reptiles on our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of reptiles. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your reptile collection thrive. Farewell and happy lizard keeping.